Good morning, Chris Johnson out here fixing to get started with a beautiful clean on this cool Saturday morning. As you can see, we're out here at the bank. We tape up the ATM, we'll tape up the two cameras and see the cedar shanks. We'll make those really good and clean today. We'll clean up the drive-throughs. We're gonna clean up all this curbing, clean up the sidewalks. We're gonna go all the way around the bank. So you'll see under the bank the dinginess and the mildew. So all that'll be cleaned up today. All right, I'll get you some after shots in a little bit. Thank you, see ya. All right, so here's some after. So we're up under the drive-through. You can see how beautiful and clean it is. Cameras are clean. Come around and we did some of that. It's drying. So bring you around to the back of the bank. Remember how dirty this sidewalk was? Man, yeah. Got all that, cleaned it. I got one more sidewalk to do down there and I'll be done. Remember those cedar shanks this morning, how dark they were? Man, we really brightened them up, made them look really good. We got this sidewalk over here done. All this is done. Looks good. Give Rivertown Pro Wash a call, and we'd love to help you with your residential or your commercial properties at 843-601-3529. Thank you, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.